So now all the points have been identified now. I think we had made some mistakes. Okay, now I think it is taken care now. Okay, so these are the outermost boundary points now. You can say so. These are the outermost boundary points. Now I think something we can make out at least from here, right? So earlier that was not. So that is why I have told you need more imagination and everything. So when I'm looking from the bottom now, when I'm looking from the bottom, I can able to see the bottom surface, that is A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. So this is the surface, friends. This surface I can able to see here, and also this edge I can be able to see. This also see. So this portion I can be able to see. But whereas DE, DC, all that are going to be unseen to me, right? So in order to do that, so let do one by one. Let us not rush it. So first, these are going to be seen to me, right? So this A1, B1, C1, D1. So let them first connect with the seen edges. For example, A1 to B1, B1 to C1. This let this trim it. So this is going to be seen to me, right? It is being connected. So now when I'm looking from the bottom now, B to B1, this one, B to B1, B to B1, and also A1 to A, B to C, all this it is going to be seen to me, A to B. So let me check now. First B1 to B, this is B1 to B, and A1 to A, it is seen. Connect them with a thick line. Right? So after this, B to B1 we have connected, A to A1 I have connected this two. Now B to C. See here already B to, okay. So now this portion, that is CD, DE, all that is going to be unseen to me, right? Connect them with a thick line, thick dash lines. So this is F dash. See here friends, what you can notice here is very slight gap is there. Very small gap is there. So in that case, you should be very careful, right? This should be what? Unseen, that is hidden edge, right? Similarly, so what you can just do is you just trim this. Right? So now almost it is very, very close to that, right? So now what you can notice here, the top surface, bottom surface has been connected now. I think almost 3 side surfaces, that this one, this one, this one is connected. Now we'll just check whether C2D, sorry, which point it is? E to E1, sorry, E to E, and in fact, one second. See here, we have interchanged our names. This is C dash and this is, so that is why I told you I made mistake, because the moment we locate, it is important to identify the points. We should name it. Naming is very much required, and you should do it the moment you locate the point. So now this is my D1 C1, right? This is my point C1. This is a point that is these are the point which are going to be unseen to me, right? So this E1 to E, E1 to E, and D to D, because that is that side, it is the farthest from the observer. So connect them with a thick line, thick dashed line. And also I told you, if already two unseen are edges connected, it should be connected to unseen only. There is no point in connecting seen edge. Right? So this completes your problem, right? So this is the final position which is going to be there. So this is the final position, friends. So all unwanted lines, edges, you can trim it. No point in that. So just see here. So between these two lines, a very small gap exists. If you do a small mistake, that creates a problem here. So that is very much important, and you should take care while doing it. So now only last option, what you are supposed to do is only left is an axis line. Even there will be some weightage will be given for axis line. If you fail to show it, your marks will be deducted. So this completes your problem, friends. So with this, we shall close it today, and probably in my next class, I'll be doing it pyramid problems. Okay. Is that done? Is that clear, friends? Okay, then any doubts you have? Any doubts? Shall I close it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Thank you so much for joining today. We shall do it pyramid problems. How exactly it is different from one to other and all that. We'll see it. Thanks for joining.